Step into the world of Old Norse, the ancient language of the Vikings, spanning from the 9th to 13th centuries. Imagine the bustling markets of a bygone era where traders bellow terms like skíð for ski or knifr for knife, words that echo into modern English. Unlike today's Scandinavian languages, Old Norse was rich with sounds like the thorn in þing, pronounced like the th in think. Picture storytellers casting spells of legendary sagas in rhythmic stanzas, using lilting accents that shape the Nordic world. This phonetic tapestry is largely preserved through medieval manuscripts, showcasing vowels and consonants we no longer use. While many of these sounds have vanished, the Viking spirit still whispers in our vocabulary, resonating through time.